Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sydney, if you haven't seen my face before. Today I'm feeling all kinds of funky. I am loving this new sweater from TJ Maxx. So cute. TJ Maxx is bae, by the way. I'm literally obsessed. I go there every single week. It's a problem. But if you can't tell by the fit, I can't decide whether it is summer or fall. I'm wearing shorts and a sweater, but the sweater is not fall colors. It's like funky colors, like summery colors. But I'm here for it, and that's kind of because in Michigan it is currently 80 degrees outside and sunny, and it's the end of September. Like, I'm ready for fall. Like, come on. We're gonna work with it. It's fine. Today we are gonna decorate my room for fall. First things first, I gotta show you guys the decor I already have for my room. I think we might do some shopping and maybe pick up a couple more things, but shh, don't tell anyone. Oops. This is my bin of fall stuff. I'm just gonna like spread it out around my floor here and show you guys everything I have. So this is all of the fall decor that we're working with. I use pretty much all of it, and I know like it's enough to decorate my room with, but I also feel like it doesn't hurt to go shop and look for more. So that's what we are gonna do, and I'll see you guys at the store. Just got home, and I'm gonna give you guys a brief haul from Joann's. I just got this little like sweater fluffy pumpkin, and this one as well. One's for me, one's for my mom. I don't know which yet. And then this was an impulse buy, just these little socks that say hello pumpkin. I think they're cute. I got this little fall sign from my mom. It just says, but I think I love fall most of all. Cute. And then from the dollar store, I just got these labels. These cute little sticky notes that were also an impulse buy. And some generic wrapping paper to wrap my mom's present in. Now that's it, and let's go inside and decorate. Now here's everything I'm going to be using to decorate my room for fall. First things first, let's put on some fall music. Next move, I think, is I want to keep that shell cross in my room somewhere, but that is where I always put this little fall sign. So I think I'm going to move the cross over there by my door and then hang this where I always put it here. Alright, save the best for last. Let's fix this bed situation. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I was thinking maybe put it around my mirror with my lights, but then I was maybe put it around my bed, and I feel like it would look too busy over here. So no, I don't know. I'll play around with it. Okay, the very last thing that I need to put somewhere is this pumpkin. I have had it for forever, and I feel like I just need to set it somewhere. So I think I might just throw it right down there by that box with the lights. Okay, I am all done decorating my room for fall. for today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for coming along and decorating my room for fall with me this year. I'm so stoked. The next video like this I'll be filming is a Christmas one. That's all I got. Happy fall and peace out.